I love and accept myself unconditionally, just as I am. I am worthy of love and respect, and I give these freely to myself. And I choose to treat myself with kindness and compassion. I release all self-criticism and replace it with self-encouragement. I am enough, and I honor my uniqueness every day. I let go of perfectionism and accept my beautiful imperfections. I am my own biggest cheerleader, and I celebrate my achievements. I love myself more with each passing day. I deserve all the good things life has to offer. I am proud of who I am and excited for who I am becoming. My self-worth is not dependent on the opinions of others. I am free to be myself unapologetically and authentically. I am worthy of happiness, success, and abundance. I love my body, my mind, and my soul. I treat myself with the same love and care I offer to others. I choose to see myself through the eyes of love. I am grateful for the journey that has made me who I am. I forgive myself for past mistakes and allow myself to grow. I release all feelings of unworthiness and accept my infinite value. I trust myself to make decisions that honor my well-being. I deserve to live a joyful and fulfilling life. I am capable, strong, and worthy of success. I am at peace with who I am and where I am in life. I focus on my strengths and celebrate my progress. I honor my feelings and trust my ability to navigate them. I am safe, supported, and loved in every moment. I release all comparisons and choose to accept my uniqueness. I am free from the need to seek validation outside of myself. I am a valuable and irreplaceable part of the world. I trust myself to handle life's challenges with grace and strength. I honor the lessons of my past and look forward to a bright future. I am kind to myself because I deserve love and care, and I let go of guilt and replace it with self-forgiveness. I am free from self-judgment and accept self-love. I am my own safe space, filled with love and acceptance. I choose to focus on my positive qualities and strengths. I give myself permission to rest and recharge without guilt. I am free from the need to be perfect. I am enough as I am. I am worthy of setting healthy boundaries and protecting my energy. I honor my worth and choose to prioritize my happiness. I release all negative thoughts and replace them with positivity and hope. My mind is a peaceful and positive space. I am free from the grip of fear, worry, and doubt. I choose to focus on what brings me joy and fulfillment. Negative thoughts no longer have power over me. I control my mindset. I am the master of my thoughts, and I choose empowering ones. I let go of overthinking and trust the flow of life. I replace every negative thought with one that uplifts me. I forgive myself for past mistakes and release the negativity they brought. I am free from the weight of judgment and criticism. I choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth. I release all beliefs that no longer serve my highest good. I detach from negativity and accept the present moment. I focus on the beauty and blessings in my life. I choose peace and positivity in every situation. Negative energy dissolves as I fill my mind with love and light. I am in control of my inner dialogue, and I make it supportive and kind. I let go of the need to dwell on the past or fear the future. I release resentment and open my heart to forgiveness. I replace worry with trust and fear with love. I am resilient and can overcome any negative pattern. I am no longer a prisoner of my thoughts. I am free to choose joy. I trust myself to handle challenges with a calm and clear mind. I am free from the toxic cycle of overthinking and self-doubt. I trust that everything is working out for my highest good. I am no longer attached to limiting beliefs or negative stories. I release all fear-based thinking and accept positivity. My mind is clear, focused, and filled with empowering thoughts. I am free to live a life untethered by negativity or fear. I trust the process of life and let go of what I cannot control. I forgive those who have hurt me and release the negative energy. I let go of complaining and focus on gratitude. I choose to rise above negativity and see the bigger picture. I am free from the need to control everything and accept trust. My thoughts are my choice, and I choose to make them positive. I am free from fear of the unknown and welcome it as an adventure. I release all grudges and fill my heart with peace and compassion. I am free to rewrite my story with positivity and hope. I release worry and replace it with trust in myself and the universe. I am at peace with my thoughts and allow them to align with my highest self. I am in control of my happiness and I choose to stay positive. I have the power to shift my thoughts to align with my goals. I focus on solutions, not problems, and trust myself to find the way forward. I am filled with energy, positivity, and purpose. My mind is a powerful tool, and I use it to create a life I love. I attract positive energy and release anything that doesn't serve me. I am stronger than any negative thought or limiting belief. I trust in my ability to navigate life's challenges with grace. I am a magnet for positivity, love, and abundance. I focus on what I can control and let go of the rest. I have the power to transform my thoughts into powerful forces of good in my life. I trust in the process of releasing negativity and accepting a brighter mindset. I am the creator of my thoughts, and I choose to create joy, hope, and love. I let go of patterns of self-doubt and replace them with unwavering confidence. Every day, I choose thoughts that align with the life I want to create. I release the need to dwell on what went wrong and focus on what can go right. My thoughts shape my reality, and I intentionally think thoughts that uplift me. I am not my negative thoughts. I am the loving observer of my experiences. I detach from negativity and reconnect with my natural state of peace. I am grateful for the opportunity to grow stronger every time I release a negative belief. I honor the lessons that my past thoughts have taught me and move forward with positivity. Each breath I take clears my mind of negativity and fills it with hope. I forgive myself for past negative thinking and celebrate my commitment to positivity. My mind is a clean slate, and I choose to write a story filled with love and triumph. I release old mental patterns and welcome new ways of thinking that support my growth. I surround myself with positivity, love, and uplifting energy. I focus on the present moment where peace and clarity reside. I release any attachment to thoughts that do not serve my well-being. I replace feelings of inadequacy with an unshakable belief in my worthiness. I honor my ability to adapt and grow, even in the face of challenging thoughts. I release the need to be perfect and accept the beauty of being human. My thoughts are my own, and I choose to make them my ally. Every time I let go of negativity, I make space for something wonderful to enter my life. I deserve to think thoughts that support my happiness and well-being. I welcome clarity and perspective, releasing the fog of negativity. I choose to focus on solutions and let go of the need to dwell on problems. My mind is filled with creative and empowering ideas that propel me forward. I accept a mindset of possibility and let go of limiting thoughts. I trust that every step I take away from negativity is leading me closer to my best self. I celebrate my progress in breaking free from patterns of negative thinking. I am resilient, and my mind reflects my inner strength and courage. I trust that by changing my thoughts, I am changing my life. I am free to think thoughts that bring me peace and joy. I release judgment of myself and others, opening my mind to acceptance and love. I let go of the need to please everyone and focus on my own happiness. I choose to see the best in myself and others, creating a ripple of positivity. Every time I notice a negative thought, I gently replace it with one of hope and possibility. I am free from the mental loops that have kept me stuck. I choose freedom. I welcome new, expansive thoughts that guide me toward my highest potential. I celebrate every small victory in my journey toward a positive mindset. I release all resistance to peace and allow it to fill every corner of my mind. I am no longer bound by negative thoughts. I am free to think positively and clearly. I allow the light of love and peace to dissolve any lingering negativity. I am safe and supported as I let go of thoughts that no longer serve me. I trust that every step I take toward mental freedom is supported by the universe. I am grateful for the mental clarity that comes with releasing negativity. I forgive those who contributed to my negative thinking and release them with love. I detach from the energy of worry and accept the freedom of the present moment. I trust that the universe is guiding me to thoughts that uplift and inspire me. My mind is a place of tranquility, joy, and endless possibilities. I no longer let fear dictate my thoughts. I choose courage and hope instead. I give myself permission to think differently, to think positively, and to think freely. Every time I choose a peaceful thought, I am creating a brighter future for myself. I am free to live in alignment with my highest self, free from negativity. I trust in my ability to maintain a positive and resilient mindset. I release all mental clutter and welcome simplicity and peace into my thoughts. I allow myself to rest mentally and emotionally, knowing I am deserving of peace. I let go of past regrets and focus on the opportunities that lie ahead. I no longer entertain thoughts that drain my energy. I choose thoughts that uplift me. I welcome the stillness of my mind and the clarity that comes with it. I am free from the fear of judgment. My thoughts are my own sanctuary. I release all fears about the future, knowing I am safe and secure in this moment. I celebrate my freedom from negativity and accept a life filled with positivity. I allow myself to feel light, free, and unburdened by the weight of negativity. I release the need to overanalyze and trust my intuition to guide me. I am free from mental patterns that no longer serve me, opening my mind to joy. I allow myself to fully experience the beauty and positivity of the present moment. I am deserving of mental peace and joy, and I welcome them into my life. I release my attachment to outcomes and trust in the flow of life. I no longer let past failures define my future. I create a new story of success. I trust the process of change and accept the freedom it brings to my mind. I choose to think thoughts that reflect my infinite potential and worth. I free myself from the prison of negative thinking and accept my mental liberation. I celebrate the peace and positivity I have cultivated in my life. I am free to live my life untethered by the weight of negativity. I honor my progress and trust that I am on the path to mental freedom. I am free from the opinions of others. I think for myself with confidence and clarity. I let go of mental habits that have held me back and accept empowering ones. I trust myself to think thoughts that align with my highest good and happiness. I celebrate my mental freedom, knowing I have broken free from negativity forever.